This is how you can reset your Epson printer model's L3250 if it shows up two blinking lights and the power button stays green and displays "Service Required." First, turn off your antivirus if you're using a Windows computer, then follow these steps. First, make sure your printer is on by powering it. Run the Epson Resetter software by first extracting it and running the adjustment program. Select your model and click on Waste Ink Pad Counter. Follow the steps in the video. And finally, turn off and turn on your printer. To finish resetting your printer, subscribe to the channel for more tech videos.